Hi, in this video we are going to see the government job vacancies notification, and here the multiple designations or else multiple qualification candidates can able to apply for this one. And as I mentioned here in the thumbnail, the graduation with fresher you can get the 22,000 rupees per month, and any graduation with some experience 81,100 rupees per month up to, and any graduation fresher up to 32,600 rupees per month. Fine. So after watching this video, please share this one to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of job vacancies in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your requirement is not met in this video, then please mention your subjects or else a requirement in the comment section. So if I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And if you are looking for the online personalized job consultancy, then one form I kept in the description box of this video, so fill up that form, guys. Before going into the main content of this video, it is a very big announcement and the good news to the UGC candidates who are preparing for the examination, which is going to be start from this, in this month, October 17th onwards. So here I'm conducting the free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English, okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link, then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGC online live classes from the Unacademy side. Content of the video. So the vacancies we got from the Indian Institute of Management, Ranchi. So it is a central government institute, guys. So from this one here we got the three different types of notifications for the different designations, and I will provide this website link also in the description box of this video. So if you want to get the accurate and more details, you may visit the official website, guys. And while coming to the first one, okay, yeah, we will start with this one. Yeah. So Indian Institute of Management, Ranchi from Jharkhand. The name of the post is a senior executive. Total 4 posts are there on the contractual basis. The starting date to apply online is 6 October 2021, and the submission of the online application last date is 8th November 2021. And here the details of the eligibility criteria, all these things I will show you in this PDF itself. Okay, so you may check down here. Senior executive, total 4 positions are there. Mode of the appointment is contract basis. Based upon the performance and the requirement of the institute, it can be considered for the regular position also. And essential qualification required is any graduate degree or equivalent with minimum 55% of marks and the knowledge of the computer experience. Along with that one, 2 years relevant work experience also must be there. And the desirable PG degree, that means postgraduate degree, diploma in management, experience in handling or administration, legal, financial establishment matters. Preference will be given to the applicants who are having the experience in the establishment, administration and government related matters. And the coming to the age is maximum age 35 years as on the starting date of the online application form. So contract term, on a contract for a period of 3 years, which can be further extended subject to the performance evaluation and the requirement of the institute. And the job description is that the senior executive will take care of the HR related tasks in the institute. He or she will be responsible for close coordination with in charge human resources departments and other members of the department. Okay, the ideal candidates will possess a strong technical knowledge of the CCS rules and the HR functions. And the salary is given the level 4 as per the 7th central pay scale, guys. Okay, pay commission. So these are the details, and the few more details are also kept here. So if you want, you may go through the link that I will provide in the description box of this video. And the next notification, research assistant in general management area, so contractual basis. And coming to the educational qualifications, bachelor's in communications, sociology, political science, geography, business administration or any other related discipline, and experience, prior experience of knowledge, working in the social science management or research projects is desirable. Duration of the employment is 3 years. And the job description, the research associate will help the data collection that is example of surveys, interviews and the focus groups, etc. in various districts of the Jharkhand. And the research associate will also assist the writing of the reports and the research papers. Remuneration is consolidated monthly salary of 22,000 rupees per month, and the date of commencement of contract is from 1st November 2021. And whoever the interested candidates are there, you may send your CV or the biodata or the resume to hr@iimranchi.ac.in. Okay, and you have to indicate that RA in general management in the subject line. Okay, so it is the advertisement for the research assistant in the general management area. And coming to the next one is junior executive. Total 4 posts are there on the contract basis. The starting date is the 6th October 2021 and the closing date is 8th November 2021. And coming to the qualification required for this one is, it is also the contract basis and it may be considered for the regular position. Any graduation degree or equivalent with minimum 55% of marks and the knowledge of the computer applications. And the essential skills are mentioned here that you must have the working knowledge of the computer applications are essential, including the academic information system to incorporate the functional modules such as admissions, class scheduling, class coordination, planning and monitoring. All these things must be required, but they are not asking for the experience guys here. Any graduation, even though if you are a fresher with computer knowledge, you can apply for this one. And the preference will be given if you are having the experience. Fine. Age limit is maximum age of 30 years and the contract term for a period of 3 years. Okay, and later it may be extended based upon your performance and the requirement of the institution. And the job description is also given here, so if you want you may go through guys. Salary level 2 as per the 7th pay commission. Okay, and to get the more accurate details, please once visit the official website of this one. Okay, so and next, the next notification, yeah, senior executive was already done. So next one is the chief administrative officer. But of course, it only one vacancy is there under the unreserved category, and it requires a 15 years of experience. Okay, and a PG degree in management or a MBA, 2 years from a recognized university, knowledge of the computer application. So if you have, then you may go through this one. Okay, so total these are the 4 different notifications released from the IIM Ranchi. One is a research assistant, and second one is the chief administrative officer, and the next one is a senior executive, and the next one is a junior executive. So to apply the junior executive, any graduation, even though if you are a fresher, you can apply. While coming to the senior executive, any graduate with some experience is required for this one. Okay, 2 years of experience. And while coming to the chief administrative officer means a 15 years of experience with the MBA must be there. And coming to the research associate, bachelor's degree with some experience is required. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are looking for the UGC NET preparation or else the coaching from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video guys. Otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay.